Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ECG on your Galaxy Watch without a Samsung phone. While the ECG feature is usually limited to Samsung Galaxy devices, there's a well-known method to bypass this restriction. This guide will walk you through the steps to get your ECG readings working on virtually any Android phone. It requires a few specific tools and careful attention to detail, but it's entirely achievable. Let's get started with the necessary preparations. Before we begin the installation, you'll need a few things. First, download the modified Samsung Health Monitor application files for both your phone and your watch. You'll also need Android platform tools installed on your computer for advanced debugging. On your Galaxy Watch, navigate to Settings, then About Watch, and tap the software version 7 times to enable developer options. Finally, within these new developer options, activate both ADB debugging and wireless debugging. Now, let's install the applications. First, install the modified Samsung Health Monitor app on your Android phone, just like any other application. Next, connect your watch to your computer wirelessly. In your watch's developer options, find the IP address and port for wireless debugging. Use these details with ADB commands on your computer to establish a connection. Once connected, you can then push and install the modified Samsung Health Monitor application directly onto your Galaxy Watch. This step is crucial for enabling the ECG functionality. With both applications installed, you're ready to activate and use the ECG feature. Open the modified Samsung Health Monitor app on both your phone and your watch. You'll be guided through a quick setup to create your profile and accept any required permissions. To take an ECG, simply place a finger from your opposite hand on the watch's home button for a full 30 seconds. The app will then display your heart rhythm results, providing valuable insights into your cardiac activity. Remember to consult a medical professional for any health concerns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.